Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel and the Bureau of Meteorology's position as per their tropical cyclone 3-day outlook for the western region remains unchanged. Whilst there are no significant tropical systems in the region at present, none are expected to develop in the next 3 days. A trough currently lies over waters near Indonesia, well north of the Northern Territory. There is a chance that a tropical low develops in the trough early next week and possibly moves over the northern Timor Sea or the Arafura Sea late next week. And for the weekend, including Monday, the Bureau has percentages at very low. Now we have a look at the tropical cyclone formation probability guide outlook, and it continues to develop. We have area of interest in the Westpac, Invest 93S to the north of Darwin, and possibly one in the Solomon Islands region. Now we have a look at the early possible tracks on the Invest 93S. And the latest information shows that Invest 93S is 8.9 degrees south, 132.2 degrees east, maximum winds 15 knots, minimum central pressure remains 1010 millibars. And here's another look at the NOAA floaters on the Invest. It's hard to work out where the low-level circulation centre is located, but it's still early days. Sea surface temperature is around 29 to 30 degrees Celsius. Now we have a look at the upper level divergence. It's only around 10 knots at this point in time. Wind shear, the wind's unfavourable, the green's favourable, yellow is neutral. 24-hour shear tendency, information's at the bottom of the screen and right hand side of the screen. 850 millibar vorticity, and look at that area to the southwest southern region of Australia. Now we have a look at the GFS accumulated precipitation model, and you can clearly see where the activity is likely to take place. We're going to see a tropical system up there in the Solomon Islands region. Now we have a look at a couple of models on Invest 93S. And this is the GFS. The first one was the Canadian. And now we switch to the local scene. Bureau Meteorology has a strong wind warning for the Bateman's Eden coast. They cancelled the one for the Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney and Illawarra coast. The latest instability from 7 a.m. through to 1300 hours tomorrow. The Bureau has a strong wind warning for the Port Phillip Bay, Western Port, the West Coast, Central Gippsland and East Gippsland coast. And they've finalised the final flood warning or flood watch for the North East Victoria, minor flood warning for the Kyra River. Now we have a look at precipitation. And for Tasmania, strong wind warning for the far northwest coast. And a strong wind warning will be in place for the southeast Gulf and Carpentaria here in Queensland. Storm probability. And at my HQ, Brisbane, it's very overcast. And up there in the Northern Territory, there'll be a strong wind warning for the Roper Group Island. Wind probability, it's the GFS model. Strong wind warning for the West Kimberley, Pilbara, Bunbury, Geography, Leeuwin, Albany, Esperance Coast, WA. And finally in this update, we have a look at the Bureau's 12-hourly rainfall outlook, including the 24-hour outlook. And quite a bit of area in green.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, our YouTube page youtube.com/Force13, on Facebook under the same name Force 13, and our Twitter handle, it's @Force13 if you wish to get in touch. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.